Well, hello and welcome back to the channel, and today we're in the historic Cornwall town of Liskeard. Now the station is about 10 minutes walk away from the town, so let's head on down to the town. This is a cute shop with its dinosaur display in the window. You'll find Liskeard has a quite variety of historic building types. Here in the centre of town you'll find what was a fountain but now just seems to be a flower display. It was erected in 1871 by the town's mayor. This is Pike Street, which runs down to the museum. A wool shop that sells shoes. That's a bit of diversification, isn't it? This is the old
I'm now on
Guildhall.
Market Street, which is full of independent shops.
Market Street traces its origins back to Liskeard's medieval market charter, granted in 1240 by Richard, Earl of Cornwall, the brother of King Henry III.
Here on Well Street is the Pipe Well, the ancient source of water of the town, the St. Martin's Well. In the past, this water was supposed to give you miraculous healing powers, but now I wouldn't advise drinking it. In fact, you should definitely not try drinking it.
Okay, time to have a wander down Fore Street, the local high street. Tell me, why is it in every Cornwall and Devon town the high street is called Fore Street? Hey, if you know, let me know in the comments below. I like the fact there's two bookshops opposite each other. I wonder how they came up with that name for their shop.
But I do it on the side.
I could fancy a coffee. Pity this one's closed. I'll just have to go and have a pint instead. And those Wetherspoons, was named after King Dinosaur, who was the last king of Cornwall, who died in 875. She's right, he drowned in the River Foy. As you can see, I had a veg pizza for lunch. Cheers. Here's Stewart House, where King Charles I stayed during the English Civil War. It's now an exhibition centre and a cafe, so let's head in and have a wander around. I do like the free entrance. On the staircase we're greeted by King Charles and his wife. And here's a couple of exhibition rooms inside.
We're now heading up towards Castle Park, a nice quiet spot overlooking the rooftops of the town. Though the castle that was here originally is long gone. Under a few of the trees you'll find these memorial stones. This one is for the coronation of King Edward, August the 8th, 1902. Behind me you'll find the Bull's Stone,
which was used to tie the bulls up with down in town when the cattle market was. I'm not quite sure, you might just be able to make out what it says. It says the bull stone there. Okay, we're now going to head back down into town. Coffee break at the Fat Frog Cafe. Sorry, the famous Fat Frog Cafe. I'm not quite sure why it's famous. Maybe I'll ask when I've had the coffee. I'll take the cup back in and find out. The end of Church Street, surprising enough, you'll find a church. This one is St Martin's. Whilst this church has its origins from the 13th century, most of what you see today here is 15th century Gothic, and it's a Grade 1 listed building. Here on Church Street you'll find a various mixture of building types. This one here is from 1662. This one's called the Ancient House. No, the question is, how old is it? I don't know, because there's no sign telling you. Well, I'm back at the station and it's time for me to head back into Devon and to home. And as always, thanks for watching, and remember to comment, like and subscribe. Until the next one, hope you have a good day.